Imagine our planet as a giant jigsaw puzzle made of 7 vast pieces. These are the continents. Today, we'll explore each one. First, Asia, the largest, is packed with diverse cultures and landscapes. Next, Europe, known for its rich history and landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. Africa follows, offering incredible wildlife and the expansive Sahara Desert. Let's journey to North America, where you'll find famous sites like the Grand Canyon. South America is full of rainforests and the mighty Andes Mountains. Heading east, Australia is not just a country but a continent, famous for its unique wildlife like kangaroos. Lastly, Antarctica, the frozen land at the Earth's South Pole, is a snowy wonder. Together, these continents form our incredible world.